how to recover Discord account without email in 2026. So if you want to recover your Discord account without email, then what you need to do is first you need to go to any browser that you're comfortable with. Once you're on your browser, you just need to simply go with your search. And here you need to search for support.discord.com. Once you've searched, you need to just simply go with the three horizontal lines which will be in the top right, and you will have an option of submit a request. But before that, you need to go with the three dots which will be in the top right, scroll down, go with desktop site. Once you go with the desktop site, you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to go with submit a request option, which will be on the top. Tap on submit a request and it will take you to this kind of interface. Just wait for a few seconds till it verifies. If it says this kind of interface, then you just need to simply go and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll get a support ticket. You can go and sign in with any account that you're comfortable with. Once you get submit a request page, you need to go and select help and support, and then you can go with your type of question. You can just simply go with technical support, or what type of issue are you experiencing. You can go with account settings and go with your platform. If you're choosing your Android, you can go with Android or iPhone or in any other options. And then under subject, you can go and select your subject, like your account verification. And then under the description, you need to write that I'm not being able to recover my Discord account and I don't have my email with me. So please help me to recover my Discord account without my email. And then you can also add some attachments if you want to and go and send it. Once you've sent that to Discord support, within a few hours, you will receive some help from Discord. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.